Hi, this is Tim Rosansky with PDQ Restoration. Today I'm going to go over how plumbers and the restoration teams work together. When water damage strikes, quick action is critical to prevent further destruction. Whether it's a burst pipe, leaking toilet, or a moisture buildup under a sink, plumbers and restoration companies work together to ensure your home is clean, dry, and protected from long-term damage. Plumbers stop the source of water. Plumbers are the first line of defense when water begins to flood a home, whether it's a ruptured supply line, failing water heater, or a clogged drain. Their primary role is to stop the water flow. For example, in a bathroom where a leaking toilet floods the floor, plumbers repair the leak, ensuring no further water intrusion occurs. Restoration teams take over the cleanup. Once the source is fixed, restoration professionals remove standing water, dry out damp materials, and prevent mold growth. Using industrial-grade dehumidifiers, air movers, and moisture meters, they extract excess water and reduce humidity levels before it can lead to structural damage. Areas like bathrooms, kitchens, and basements are especially prone to lingering moisture, which can weaken drywall, wood floors, and encourage mold. 3. Coordinated assessment and repair. Plumbers and restoration teams work side by side to ensure a home is fully restored. Plumbers inspect and replace damaged pipes, while restoration pros assess hidden moisture behind walls and underflooring. In cases where water damage has affected cabinets or subfloors, both teams coordinate to repair and reinforce weakened areas to prevent future leaks and mold issues. Preventative measures for long-term protection. Beyond just fixing leaks, plumbers and restoration experts help homeowners prevent future water issues. They may recommend better pipe insulation, updated water shutoff systems, and improved drainage systems solutions to keep your homes dry and damage-free. Simple upgrades like replacing old plumbing fixtures or installing a smart water monitor can help detect leaks before they become disasters. To conclude, plumbers and restoration professionals work hand in hand to restore homes affected by water damage. If you have any other questions about water damage, please make sure to call PDQ Restoration.